Hello, scrappers. Yeah, today I thought I'd go ahead and try to attempt to tear this canyon bed down. See how it goes. Been sitting out there in the field for about 3 years or so. So, putting it off. So we'll try it. May just have to cut that, I'm not sure. I know this thing's heavy. Yeah, if I remember right, it was quite an ordeal getting it out of the garage and onto my 16-foot trailer. So, yeah, we got it done, but yeah, it was a chore. Bigger than that. There we go. I got the nut off there. Probably have to use a pry bar to get that off. Got some string tied to a knot and bunch of string on this end. Got to cut the string out of the way to get to the nut. Bracket's nice and thick. Be short iron for that. Same thing with this one. Not a lot of wiggle room, pretty tight. Okay, I think I'll get the angle grinder and just cut those shocks. And then we'll have to see about getting the plastic and getting all the bulbs out of there. Yeah. It finally warmed up today. It's supposed to be close to 60. Thermometer on the wall saying 58, and there's really no wind today, so that's nice. It's a muddy mess out here. I've been out here yesterday and today spreading a bunch of that washout I got from the cement companies. Kind of putting some here in front of the truck and then out further. Then I put some down in here, but you can, yeah, kind of down in that area. But down up in that area, it's pretty muddy. Of course, I got sandstone just, you know, right under the surface, so it's pretty wet out there. Debating whether to put some out there. Probably need to, but I wanted to get some scrapping done. I hadn't done a whole lot of scrapping in the last couple of weeks due to the cold weather. So, trying to take advantage of this warm weather. Of course, it's supposed to be warm now for about a week at least. So, I'm glad to get out here and get something done. Oh, let's see. grab a different hammer. There's a couple knobs on here. It says twist, lift and twist a quarter turn. I guess for this piece here to come off. Probably need to get a little wrench, probably 7/16. Try to pull that off, get that out of the way, and then maybe. I wonder if I can drive this end off of here. I'll probably have to cut this plastic in half to get it in the dumpster. Okay, that one's off. Throw these in my screw bucket. I'll get this last one off here. I'm seeing some screws on that end. I don't know if I can swing this thing around or not. I may have to give it a shot. Or set it down and pick it up from the other side. Yeah, it'd probably be easier to set it down and pick it up from the other side. I might try that back in a minute. Okay, I got the 1/2 sitting on a couple 4x4s out there. This is actually the bottom half where a lot of the electric went in right here. You have to get on there with pliers. Not sure if these caps. Here I got some Phillips head screws. That doesn't want to break. I'm afraid if I try the drill, it's just going to strip them out. I couldn't really do anything with that. So, Impact Phillips. This thing does come in handy from time to time. Slip the monitor over. So we'll see. Yeah, it broke loose. do have this impact screwdriver socket set deal on my Amazon page if you're needing one. Probably a nut on the back side of these. Loosen it so far and then that's it. I'll put the drill on it here in a minute and see what we got. Getting the breeze now. Does come all the way out. All right. That one didn't. We've got some wire. This tractor sure makes scrapping a lot easier for me. Okay, I guess we'll see what we can do here to get the plastic and bulbs out of there. Give it a shot anyway, see what we can get. Try this over here. Hanging on good there. Not sure what's holding it. I was trying to make a cut. I don't know. Yeah, it's the first tanning bed I've ever done, so I'm not really sure the best way in there, so I'm just playing it by ear. See if I can flip this one over. Drag it this way and then flip it. There, even though I've only got half of it. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna work that way. I don't know if I can pull it to me. Yeah, that seems to work a little better. I don't know if I gotta continue cutting, or I guess I could do that. Should I have brought the plasma cutter out? So might have been easier. I had got one screw here and had another one there, a couple there, but I think that's where the feet, the base bolted on at. Yeah, let me get the hammer and tap on it and see what that does. Seems like the ends are connected into the whatever that is in the center. There's that piece for what that's worth. It's like the whole tray wants to come out now. See if I can flip it back over. Maybe. We'll see. I was hoping I could just pull it straight out that way, but it doesn't look like it's going to work. So bring it back down a little bit. Looks like I might have 4 fans right here. Let's see here. AC fan. Okay, that one's tucked up underneath this rail. So I may have to bend the rail out. Or grab me a pry bar. Not sure what happened to my other pry bar. The one I mainly use, it just disappeared. Okay, this has got some kind of snaps or something in there. Okay, there's 4 fans. Now this thing may slide out, I don't know. We shall see. Pull this screw. Guess I need to get my wire cutters and cut them wires. And that would free this end piece all up. Set these inside. It'll probably come out good, but except for all the wires underneath this thing. Yeah, let me see if you can see that end over there where I'm working. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. But I got a bunch of wire. Got a bunch of wire up under that for the wires in the ends of the bulbs. We got a few wires right here. Good stuff, I think it's right here. Nice big old transformer. I'm not sure how many we got. Looks like 4 or 5, 2, 3, 6. Got 6 of them on this side, probably 6 more on the other half. Maybe. We'll see. Not sure how much effort it's going to take to clean them up. First, we got a plug here. We about got this half knocked out. I think it worked pretty good opening up that end like I did. Seemed to work good anyway. Here's some heavy equipment up on the hill. Apparently a front loader, because they keep shaking the bucket, knocked the dirt out. Dirt's probably sticking in there, it's so wet. Okay, so apparently the screw here is what's holding the transformer in. Yeah, I got some ballast here, so nice big ballast. I'll have to tear into them and see if they're worth scrapping. Probably just, I don't know. I'll have to find out what they're paying for ballast and find out how hard it is to get the copper out of there. Well, now I know what to expect in a tanning bed anyway. Pretty good amount of wire. Throw this in my bucket for my tote. Get it out of the way. Guess I need to aim the camera over to this end now that I'm over here at this end. Back it out a little ways. I'm just cutting wires off these ballasts. Nothing exciting. And I'd bring another one of my big totes over for all this shred. Pieces like that anyway. Some of that some of the big stuff probably throw it on top of that sheet tin I got out there. Well, that's just about it. I'm sure the other half is going to be pretty much a mirror image of this. So probably call it a video there. Maybe I'll get some wire in. We still got a pretty nice big hunk here. I might save a few of these right here. It's got the plugs that go to those fans. That way, if I want to try to use those fans for something, I can, since they are AC and not DC. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got to kind of see what's inside one of these tanning beds. I heard there's transformers in them, but gotta tear into the ballast to get them. Got wire on the ground there. So, get that. That one looks like a pretty thick wire. It's ground wire. Yeah, I think that one's, where is it at? I think it's thick enough to strip. There it is. I think that one's strippable. I can strip all these here, but it might take an hour or 2, 3 hours to get a pound. Yeah, so it's really not worth the time. Okay, so now I'm gonna set these ballasts aside somewhere. Might stick them on that shelf over there, just to get them out of the way until I get time to mess with them. Drop this somewhere. I can go on a shred load. Then I'll bring the other one up and tear it down. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I think you saw this house you probably don't want to watch it and do the other half. If you do, then just go back to the beginning of this one and start over again. Probably be the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set aside and bring it up and get it tore down, and then I'll get my jigsaw or something and cut that plexiglass in half where it'll fit in the dumpster, and then haul it out there. It's almost 3 o'clock, so it seemed like there was something else I wanted to do before dark, but oh yeah, I gotta get out there and do some videos of a lot of that stuff I've got out there for sale to put on the marketplace. Got that little barn, goat barn. There's a couple plows, culverts. I've been looking on marketplace. I got some halfway decent like Cub Cadets and stuff that look pretty decent. John Deere's. They're selling them for, you know, parts mowers basically for $100, $125. So I thought, shoot, I think I'm going to try that. Just some of them old rusty ones that are, you know, back from the 90s. Scrap them out, but see if I can't sell some of these for parts, make more money. More money, less work. So guess I'll call it a video, and hope you guys are getting some of this warmer weather. I know you guys in Australia, you got all the hot weather you want right now. You're probably wishing we'd send some of this cold up that way. But we'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy scrapping.